On average, we have annually allocated around 600 million to the Department of Education to facilitate ECD program, including salaries for administration staff, teachers, materials and infrastructure development. We have already embarked on the construction of more ECD classrooms throughout the county in our bid to establish modernized centers. And I want to repeat, this is important, that yes, when we came into the office, we had 81 classrooms built to completion. I want to report, for those ones of you who have been saying, oh, Simba's not nothing, oh, there is money in what? CRF account, oh, Simba, money is going back. I want to commit to you and confirm today that in 1 year, 2022-2023, we have done 125 ECD classrooms. Kwa hivyo wale mlikuwa mnapiga kelele, oh hakuna kitu, wewe kwenda angalia kama classrooms zimetengenezwa. Mheshimiwa Ogugu, huyu, since I came to the office, how many classrooms zimeisha kwako? 6 in one ward. Hatutaki kupiga kelele. Enda mwamu lazima ishindwe kwa jina la Yesu Kristo. I want to confirm, we have done 125 classrooms. For those doubters, Thomas what? I don't know what we call them. But again, I want to confirm today, I'm an up man. This is a report again I've counter-checked with the MCS. That indeed, those classrooms, some of them, 125, they are done. Wait, I'll give a direction on many other projects around ECD. Our focus is to improve the facilities into all-round state-of-art ECD centers equipped with teaching aids, TV sets, play equipment, napping areas, and all basic amenities required in child development, including sustainable nutrition program.